Hey everyone, today I wish to demonstrate how to create a logo using Leonardo AI. Firstly, you all need to open any browser. Then you must use your credentials to log into this platform. If you encounter any issues with logging in, you can watch my video on this. In this video, I've elaborated on a particular point. If there are no problems, it should be straightforward. Today, we will see how we can create a better logo using Leonardo AI. For this, you will find a button here. Its name is Generate Images. Click on it. After clicking, a new page will begin to open. As soon as it opens, you can see that you can generate a logo by giving commands here. First, we will create a new logo using the previous one. Then we will try to create one using commands. But what I find better is this. Use the logo you generated earlier. Upload it here. Click on the Upload button. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. As soon as it opens, select the logo you manually generated from here. Double-click on it. It will start uploading. While it is uploading, type a new command in the new form. Create logo in different style. After writing, just click on Generate. After clicking, it will be generated. Look, it has been generated now. You can see it. It has been generated in a new style. Let's first go back to the Upload section and delete this picture. After deleting, go back to the command prompt. Remove the text from earlier. After removing, type Generate a logo. The name of my business is Heritage. After writing, simply click Generate. After clicking, it will start generating. Look, it has been generated now. This was the method for generating a logo.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.